I'm Amelia VanHoorebeck, and I'm a shipbuilder. This is the sheet metal shop. This is where I do my work, and I'm a welder. Well, here in the sheet metal shop, we do a little bit of everything, big and small, lots of different types of materials. There's a role in there for everybody. We've got the machinists, we've got the mechanics, the welders. Everybody works together to get the job done. Welding is definitely an art. I genuinely enjoy it. I love when I get a job that is kind of like a little puzzle and I have to look at it and try different things to find out what is the best way to weld this. I love that. I come here to make a difference. I come here to keep people safe. I come here to do quality work. I think it is important. We do an important job, and it's good to come in here every day and be surrounded by people who share that common goal. Well, it really blows my mind how many people it takes to build these boats and keep this place running. I mean, it's absolutely amazing the number of different jobs that are happening here every day and how we all just kind of come together at the end and there's the boat. Well, we do a lot of different things. Thin metal, thicker stuff, not anything super huge. But me personally, I really enjoy welding the super thin stainless. I mean, we do a lot of things for the interior of the ships. I even weld the toilet paper roll holders, which is really funny. So, I mean, there's some stuff that you might weld it, you have no idea where that's going to go, what purpose it's going to serve, but you've got some other things, like I welded the flagpole holder for a submarine. It's going to be on there for years holding up the American flag. That's super cool. I definitely see welding as an art form, and when I first came into the yard, the first foreman I was under really instilled that sense of quality, and since then I've always taken it very seriously. I don't think it's very easy to lose track of that because all you have to do is walk right out the building, you see the ship. I mean, that's a reminder. You've got a bunch of people serving on there. You don't know who you might know on there one day. Even my dad served on the Stennis back in the 90s, which I think is super cool because now I get to weld parts for it and work on it. But again, that ties back to the whole you might have family on the boats, or if you don't now, you might have somebody you know someday. So I think it is just really important to make sure we take great care in building them and make sure we're putting out good ships. Yeah, it is a lot of hard work, but I think every shipbuilder is up for the challenge, and that's why we all come in here every day and do good work and learn and ask questions and just make sure that every day is better than the last and we know more the next day than we did the day before. Because it's important to make sure that everybody does good work because we've got a lot of people counting on us, the sailors, the Navy, the country. So it's very important for us to come in here and do our job right.